Now the first thing we have to do is install Tableau. So if you go to Google and type in the word Tableau, you'll see right at the top an ad for tableau.com, but that's not what we want. Scroll down to after the ads and you'll see here the main web page, because this gives us access to lots of different types of Tableau. Now we're going to be using Tableau Public, and you can see the website at the bottom left, public.tableau.com. It's a completely free version. There is a drawback to it being completely free, of course, and that is you can only save your visualizations, your end products, onto the internet. In other words, they can be seen by other people. So if your data is sensitive, if your data is not to be shared with other people, then Tableau Public is not the way to go. Now let's just have a look at some of the other versions. Now we've got Tableau Desktop. Now in the version before 2018, there were two different versions of Tableau Desktop, a professional and a non-professional version. In the 2018 and now 2019 version, that has rather gone away. What they're offering, instead of a standalone Tableau Desktop and a standalone Tableau Online, which would enable you to get your Tableau online, they now have a single item, which is this Tableau Creator. And not coincidentally, the price has gone up enormously. It used to be that Tableau Creator cost $45 a month. Now it's gone up to $70. Yes, you get more. You get not just Tableau Desktop, but you get Tableau Prep, and you get Tableau Server or Tableau Online. But the point is that the previous low-priced version has gone away. And you'll see at the bottom of the screen, why have Tableau changed their pricing models? Well, we want to help all of our customers see and understand data. It doesn't really answer the question. Can you still buy Tableau Desktop? Can you still buy Tableau Personal? No. And I don't really like this. However, if you keep scrolling, you'll see that if you are a student, and sadly it's not just a student of this course, if you're an actual student or an instructor at a university or something like that, then you can get Tableau for free. It's a little bit of form filling, but it gives you a big product, your 70 times 12 months or $840 a year for absolutely no money whatsoever. So this could be an alternative to Tableau Public, which is what you're using in this course. Now, if you notice, all of these big items, they are all the paid for versions. Tableau Public is on the right hand side. Now, there is an additional product which isn't there, and it's Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader, again, is completely free and allows you to open already made visualizations. So in other words, if you've got Tableau Desktop, you're the only one who has Tableau Desktop. You don't want them on the web, but you want to share them with 10 other colleagues, then those other colleagues could download Tableau Reader and read the visualizations. Not edit, just read. So as I say, in this course we are going to use, not exclusively, but mostly Tableau Public. We'll use Tableau Desktop when we need to, but most of this course is on Tableau Public. So the way to do this is enter your email address. So I'll enter mine and click download the app. It's available for Windows and for Mac. It's a fairly big installation-ish. It's about 295 megabytes. So I'll just wait for it to download. Right, downloaded after about a minute. So I'll just click on it. You need to read and accept the terms of the license agreement. And it doesn't say anything too controversial. So I'm going to click install. You'll need to give it administrator rights. But it's a very easy installation. So you just have to decide which version of Tableau is best for you. Are you a student, in which case you can get the free license of the full version? Are you willing to pay $70 a month for the full license? And sadly, it looks like you have to buy a year's worth of license. Or should we go for the free version, which is what I've gone for? Now, just one word about the numbering. Now, what happens is that it used to be that Tableau created Tableau version 9, a major new version, and then several months later created .1, .2, .3 and so forth. Now they are putting it as a year, so 2018.1 was the next version after 10.5, and they seem to be releasing about 3 or 4 updates a year. But nothing much really changes. So if you're here and you're downloading 2019.2, 2019.3, don't worry. Everything that we've got in the course, you'll be able to do with whatever version you're downloading. So at the end, what you'll get is your Tableau interface. Now, just a quick point, if you go to help and go to choose language, you can choose whichever language you want. So you've got Chinese, German, Spanish, French, English, Japanese, Korean, and Portuguese. And it will change all of the menus and so forth. So in the next video, we'll start to use Tableau and create our first visualization.